After this lesson, you are expected to 1. Enumerate the steps in problem solving involving multiplication and addition or subtraction. 2. Differentiate routine from non-routine problems. 3. Use appropriate problem-solving strategies. And 4. Solve multi-step routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction. From your previous lesson, you have learned to solve routine and non-routine problems that involve multiplication of whole numbers, including money. You have differentiated the following terms in the process. Routine problem involves using at least one of the 4 arithmetic operations and or ratio to solve problems that are practical in nature. Non-routine problem. Any complex problem that requires some degree of creativity or originality to solve. Typically, there is no immediate strategy in solving them, but oftentimes it can be solved in multiple ways. Some of these strategies are creating illustration, looking for a pattern, guessing and checking, and making a model. You also learn to analyze and solve routine and non-routine problems using Polya's 4 steps in problem solving. And what are the 4 steps? A. Understand. B. Plan. C. Solve. And D. Check and look back. For letter A, read and understand the problem. Know what is asked in the problem. Find the necessary information. Letter B, determine the operation to be used. Write the number sentence. Letter C, solve using the operation. And letter D, check and state the complete answer. And what are the Polya's 4 steps in problem solving? Understand, plan, solve, check, and look back. So number 1, know what is asked in the problem. The number of seedlings the scouts planted in 7 days. Know the hidden information or the given facts to look first. The number of seedlings the scouts planted in a day. Find the necessary information or the given facts in the problem. Girl Scouts planted 312 seedlings. Boy Scouts planted 425 seedlings in 7 days. Under plan, what is the operation to be used? Addition and multiplication. Then write the number sentence. 312 plus 425 times 7 is equal to n. Then solve using the operation. 312 plus 425 is equal to 737. Then 737 times 7 is equal to 5,159. And the last step is check and look back. Check your answer. And state the complete answer. The Scouts planted 5,159 seedlings in 7 days. Routine problems. Example number 2. Jen bought 3 boxes of candy on sale. Since each box had 10 pieces of candy inside of it, she decided to give Sam 7 pieces. How many pieces of candy would Jen have left after giving Sam his pieces? So let us solve this multi-step problem using Polya's step in problem solving. Again, what are the steps? Understand, plan, solve, check, and look back. So know what is asked in the problem. The remaining candies Jen has. Know the hidden information or the given facts to look first. The number of candies Jen has in 3 boxes. Find the necessary information or the given facts in the problem. 3 boxes of candies, 10 pieces inside, and 7 pieces gave to Sam. Then, what is the operation to be used? Subtraction and multiplication. Then write the number sentence. 3 times 10 minus 7 is equal to n. Then solve using the operation. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. Then check your answer and state the complete answer. Jen has 23 pieces of candies left. Example 2. There are 50 questions in an exam. For every correct answer, 5 marks are awarded, and for every wrong answer, 3 marks are deducted. Dennis scored 210 marks. How many correct answers did he get? From this table, you can see the number of checks answered, the marks awarded, number of wrong answers, marks deducted, and total marks obtained. For 50 correct answer, 50 times 5 is equal to 250. So, he has no wrong answer. So, marks deducted is 0. Then the total marks obtained is 250. Since Mark got 225 awarded, therefore, Dennis got 45 correct answers.